Yeah, Doc.
Yes, how are you?
I'm good. Yourself?
Not too bad, not too bad. Ahead of this big flooding.
Catch the one you say I pick it. Hey, wow. This is so nice. This is very beautiful for me as a blogger, an upcoming blogger to see this. Kwadwo Sheldon. On the enu echi nso to Accra, ma eho nyina flood here East Legon Hills adabraka mu nyina flood here. E ma Kwadwo Sheldon fie wo East Legon Hills. Eho nyina flood here ma na unu yakura nyi bi mfa. What I say? Insuo betwi fa ne so. Na sadly see you know. Enne the former vice president of the land, Dr. Bawumia, was London, but we have to share them. Achia no, as I want to share them, as I said, was a bit rufia, the old who be actually. And come over to us. Wow. And in this video, remember we move call and come up with the what I say. Other person to join us, I can see Biafra, Accra flooding now, a course. Now, so my video, no actually, I'm a comment section. I have Penyah blog media. Let's run any demo. Over like video no other room over subscribe button na be click notification and latest updates na be chere wa dwede amame e wo comment section so baso no ashi video mo for so enya bi ahwe enti na Penyah blog media ya hitting our first 10,000 organic YouTube subscribers. Enti we show we biala congratulations to ourselves. Father say Penyah blog media family, congratulations to every one of you. Minti mo nyina mu din Matilda e wo ho Ousu e wo ho what I say just mo dawson me and my friend, what I say over UK London. Uncle India say Gizoba, is it Gizoba so Gizobas, Charlie William, what I say, and me man, Kobe, what I say, shout out to you. And Charlie Wood Dawson, what I say, Wood Dawson, Muma, Mema, Cramping, for Mamma Shimi, for me check it, Mananda said, some of you watch my video on TV, more connected TV, and I'm going to show you video, Midamuna, I must say, we'll hear me video TV, so, laptop, so. Palm top so tablet so what I say phone so near the day more free UK ever video na me shira mu nyina mu free London mu free USA ever ma mo Ghana so I mean say data band bo edin but ahodon ti me hodon ti no da bia mo ba ebe hwe video nyame enshira mu nyina I many esopa many eso the journey has been very easy for the past 3 months. We created this particular channel exactly 5th February 2025 year 2025 year it's in calculation 3 months 1 week and it's 5 days old and a channel enya 3 months old but nyame ya dom yetimi a hit 10,000 organic subscribers with 2 million total views. Just say the grace is still working with Penyah blog media. It's munyina and we all share this glory together. But I say without you I am nothing. Without you no ka na me grew this far. It's grace and your support have brought me this far. Me da munyina must say yeah media ways no maso yemu abeli sesena the cost of enemy eti. We promise to give you and serve you with ultra modern content every blessed day. Now let's go to the story. Obekaya enwechi and pop up on the internet as Accra and so after honum ama East Legon Hills and Adabraka any many places of Accra flood and esiama cheerful crowding nyina so
What's what you want to do? Anyone there? Anyone there? No, we'll check out for you. Yeah, just what's the wall? I go to driving school. I Independence Square. One of us will do one of us share my bill. To the traffic. When you high Accra. Accra will be
there's a gutter. So it's the gutter that is supposed to take the water away, and the gutter is flooded. Oh, gutter ne yiri, and I gutter on our because this place obiti. That is a wall, obifi wall. This wall is high. It's not that low. Actually, the level. Aba the pinto. Oh, dua kesiye. Oh, dua kesiye. See how it has come. The top. This is a bridge. We bridge and why or one that it's fault. There's a bridge here. And the manufacturer it's fault. So we are. I was saying I'm even lucky because we feel and said I'm bad. But then I'm not that is the problem right now. Actually, for cloning just a baby don't scatter. Emma Kwadwo Sheldon fear I was easily going hills. Kwadwo Sheldon Bobra. What I say? And the last time I saw one guy be calling Kwadwo Sheldon a beggar. Just because Kwadwo Sheldon was praising Bawumia and they feel like okay, Kwadwo Sheldon wants a favor from Bawumia so that he can get money from Bawumia. Hey, Kwadwo Sheldon, Charlie, don't go there. Even read the upcoming content creator, the young content creator, because the money we take a man from YouTube, Charlie. Kwadwo Sheldon is taking, I can tell you, Kwadwo Sheldon is taking no less than 4 billion every month. 4 billion every month. You sit on social media, you call Kwadwo Sheldon a beggar. Just because you've gone to listen to Kevin Taylor dragging Kwadwo Sheldon, and because of that, you feel like okay, like some of you guys, I don't get you. Some of you I don't get you. And Kwadwo Sheldon posted on the internet and you feel flooded now.
So guys, our house is flooded. Our house is flooded. So where did I go? I don't know. Let's go.
Even Shatawale Crab be attacking, so okay, bro, I just want that your amount of money. Where Kwadwo Sheldon tell them, say, oh, master, I don't need your help. If you want to help me, go and help your grandmommy. Your mommy, their house, they beg for your support. Unya baby crana. They be a way or be me the answer besro. Shatawale Usika, Okofa Pella free. Nigeria did buy a man 1 billion. iPhone 16 Pro Max na Boka. Bawumia met Ghana, S. Ne rent so yes kentia. What's a crown? I system. We share the fear flood, whatever 2 million. Oh, about say, Mammy, wow. I sense would have gone on Yamwa. Now, Mammy call Bawumia, we don't tiase. Wally a cassa be brave from there, Wally a cassa be brave, what I say. But I can say, and your honey here. As a flood the air you nice equation in there. I'm on for air dragging on the internet. True that, you know. Anna and Hindy AP. I was here and the Kwadwo Sheldon. I want to see those one when Onyako. Uncle Penyah, the former vice president, Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia, and a friend, and then the thing come on like age mate, Let's watch the video.
Yeah, Doc.
Yes, how are you?
I'm good. Yourself?
Not too bad. I heard of this big flooding in Ghana, and your house was apparently very affected.
Yes, Doc. That is what happened.
Serious. That's very serious. I'm currently in London, but I'll be back for the weekend. But I was told that I wanted to I got your number, and I just wanted to call and check on you.
Oh,
how you doing?
thank you very much. We are okay. Everything is okay now. We've been able to, clear the place, and we are back to business. So everything is cool.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah. Everything is normal now.
Wonderful. We thank God.
Yeah.
So we'll be in touch when I get back.
No problem.
Okay?
Thanks for the call,
right.
dog.
Take care. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Take care.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, jale yezo, ade kasa fake. Kasa fake we afafala. Gosh, afa I pick it simple. I pick it simple way. No long talk. I pick it simple. This is the most beautiful thing I've seen on the internet today, and 20th May. This is the most beautiful thing I've seen on the internet. Because you said I didn't receive a call from Bawumia. Masa, Dale, because you said I didn't get connection. I tell you, connections where because you didn't get it. It don't be small connection. What I say? I pick it. Now, concerning this particular flood in the course, no. Can you join us? I be share your opinion on that. Now you go tell them.
Yo, your mama, Ghana force one man so farm. You see how we are today. In so na yiri a efa Kumasi for ne ayi for no. Efa ayi Kumasi for nkan for ne obi and of course we are not boy American. I know they too much. My koji Starbucks, the most expensive luxury cafe on planet Earth. And I'm so easy, no. And me chile, oh me BMW Ketuanum, me powerhouse Ketuanum, me chilum, me empower Ketuanum, me chilum. Yes, I and so far be our mind Morgana. Your mama dear now, I said, we put 2 measures, now must stop us our drainage system. No, but as you put 2 measures, now there be I am Kobase. When so to a capital. Na kroni nyina ayema so na obia fie nyina nsuo no atwa afaso na ese enyapade ese mpanifo mo de munansi fom na moye bibi fa ho na saadi we akoso over the years, ages upon ages. Wow, bibini nsu ye nipa da bia nsuo to na yiri na fa bibini abrafo na etwitwa flowers so no. Bibini nsi ye nipa. Yenye nipa ye be de owiase. Enti mesremo. Munye bibi mfa ho Ghana mpanifo. Na munye bibi fa ho abeboa ye nyina. We simple mathematics. Obi sidan. Cement price above from drastically. No credit yeda nyamia se joma ma ne NDC for atimiate cement so anti samu ade a na se no credit de nyamia se anti joma ma tiebe onua Ibrahim mama o cement company enye da bia na mo beba be nhwehwe ni mu ade yo nam diska ne toto ka se kire nkofo se mo weska ye nim se mo weska enti se mo weska ampa mo ma taxpayers money no ye jeje na obia nim se asami jamfinam Ghana ho imene ni nyina na ehia e wa adom FM ni nyina ne nam one kapre obia nim se sami jamfine kapre watimi asise sika no de cha agrada se sika na egu ka mu no mfama mu nua Ibrahim mama na on supply cement mra na youth no monti omumu krom na mo pay road na mo fa hammer ni so finish omunsam ne mix concrete ni cement kuro no mu nyina ne nti gata nto kuro no ba bia anti nsuo ne to a oromare kadina awura gata no na nyina akọ dan se bibini jimi o wa teche saa mfaso ni bibini so na odisika na kototo kasa kese Land Cruiser V8 kese mu nyina so nkwase afo mu ba bruchira mu hu kwasi broni krom ya cement ba bia obi sami jam face richer than you so what jimi your taxpayers money no they are done rich ya nam NDC for opposition. How many years? 8 years. Sami Jemfi na ma o seriously scan the radio so ebe kasa Meshiana drop him na note. Yes, I'm George. And you could to abra kwamuna meshia muno modelam cruise because muno mote parliament whatever. Sammy Jemfi, your mama and sending the case camane the call radio so. Also me boa me bodia NDC for na Accra and catch them say ye ni Sammy Jemfi na the bia change your mama sika. And tie yo mu wa say Sammy Jemfi position. Onye den ye tua ne kampo a wonya dollars a popotwa $10,000 a we check from for keke. Eyo mu wa NDC for ni na yo mu a mo ane ka kire me o mo se o mo kura yo mu wa because Sammy Jemfi campaign time ni na ye ne nam ne ye gi sika free jo mama ne ye de bia akoma for ye de bia supply enuane ni nsuo di ama campaign for no. And the overnight billionaires are access Sammy Jemfi almost $500,000 can. A year adio mukuransem omu tiasie. And it says Sammy Jemfi says he can't too good chak from for. Mon first he can't come out near Ibrahim Mama. Non supply cement. Na fe no mon first cement no enko cement mentamu baby ase be ya insoto a enyirim fa ko bibini na bibini si enipa. Your mama tie dia meche no na wo ye ne sa beboa ama obia hu say wonim nyansa wamamuo ne ekoyi dan say mudi sika ne beto tokas akese abe show of nam de car ne wo futuro nyansa bia nim Range Rover aikwase ayitimi Sammy Jemfi kwase ampanyi timi eno ye mfa futurum aye sika for car ye luxury car ye de fa futurum ye Toyota Land Cruiser. Anti mo mani mfasa aka ni ntena fi yo kwa asori ano de ko na mo mani kotina Toyota Land Cruiser bi nya sa obe condemn car no asan the taxpayers money akoto fufuro jimin kwa. What you say Steven Yao man say how are you doing boss? I'm doing so much better. Obviously it's meant na mo boa is the amount so turn 140 na mo boa social media no mo NDC for more ya de che MPP mamu metwitwa ntro na mo nya hi. What you say? Mun sisun chantro Steven ya say ECG or subscribe obi anko twini na Steven anko subscribe say be ya the comment ba me hunu ma ka cho makan ama chale hit ya American na no de we are not bofoking. Also ECG has created app and using it to scam as well. Electricity company no ma jimi foking. Mobile dumso sa. Dumso left and right dumso sa. Mama timetable mrana yun se time se yebe dum na Ghana ni ni nom ni fridge mu nambi shema onyi no nko ho. Ana se abi abepo junction yebe dum no time se and I'm fancy La Paz, you be doom ni say no or bia time say you be doom La Paz na say o ni nua bi wo weja ana ni nua bi wo achimota no fridge awa yinam na ku good say fridge no and ye so anu yi dia ba say be ya nwon se nkofo no ma mo timetable na dum so na no de mu di sika ne toto cars akese Sammy Jemfi mo de toto say sika we betimi stop dum so na mama mu na yakono car o tim no car no a wo tamo man sika akoto no mfaso bi ama so se we no mudi tumo ofo mo mama na ama wo mo na bibini banko an ya hyewo ni wo ba America sa no ma we nyina bi nsi wa ha o se mutu omofo se abaye akosu ama wo yi se wo kunu a emfe wo twam nto se ukuna danfo mediu ana ukuna danfo ene nkowo ana wo mpena emfe wo twam nto se wo mpena Adam for me for me I've been in that situation several times. Me work Ghana na me movie director. Me editor for oba me madwem se me kopeno no me ko na me editor we yedi na we yedi. Enti Ghana ni ba suban no. What you say enti na Ghana ni ba de emfa ho se obi aware de obeya amani bia nani so mo na magimi amote se awo. America akofa broni ba ya gold no wanya. Diamond wanya. Number 1 obia nkodi ne da one onchantro tie dia me mo na magini ayese moa obia nko no matter what opew bibini banko a de ma ayese moa opew because of sika o de ma no enti da wadwuma be se no mpew ayese okoma kwase abi kodi no wajimi ayese odwan enti mo na magimi onya se ti se kuma ni de na yere bedura brochire na waja no akɔfe ni twem na Pakistan ni bi afa ni kodi no broni a nko betimi missionaries wo mutimi kɔ Africa eko preach ba omba Africa ombeko different country obi ankodi omoda ombetimi achinia aye bibini nko na jimi enti munsua se na oni Daddy Lumba chempna no na Daddy Lumba no ye serious nti ohun Daddy Kedi no Daddy Kedi ni ye serious nti no oni Daddy Kedi ko ware ye da bi wo ya boa enti Daddy Kedi wo na wa wuna mu blemu se Daddy Lumba na akuno na fa baabi no ebetima ye se Daddy Lumba na akuno na fa baabi so nya Daddy Lumba na akuno tiria mention based on audio no o se oba ne poison no tiria mention no oba ne poison no nti ono nam ho nyina no poison no anteno ekunu we slowly and at the same time on kapre enunti na we abrantie na usisu a musicians ni nyina this video mo unua wo yoba na wo hwa wo nua be ma shema no ntie o peke se wo ye ya e wo abraboma oba eye wo downfall obviously it's true my girl has done it to me. The same to me, fire them. They be sana bibini ba suban tentina me kire omo no se yemoan ma jiminti antina ama bibini ba fasoni ni so no shema unua bema u start abrabot se musicians o ma bank tinkiti unya sika invest into income producing asset adia uada na di sika bro no invest sika na gum more than oba bibini ba mfaso ni ne so ti me chiro ni yo mfaso ba ku sei ebi ni ne so waji din nti no di wachi sika di won sam ni nti no di wachi esa obekọ ama wa wadam for kodi no enti di ye no information amanya ne se Daddy Lumba no na oni abaya na ti o ena oyare ye enti oyare ye no aye mobo no ma abaya ni sika hwe ne kama na abaya na ye den ekope Daddy Kedi number no afre Daddy Kedi number the friend say oh me wa hada be na be sira me say na Daddy Kedi buy no ne nyina or only Daddy Kedi to start champ na and Lumba hoto ni wie no na Lumba discover say Daddy Kedi any abaya na umienu and abaya na umienu no Daddy Kedi so nim say Daddy Lumba e wo twe no ba say Daddy Kedi say na opa kire ba say be man dey oba kire say madam funie no a chese possibilities and plan no ana bibisa e se wan so nya akura hu enti one na wo emamu mienu omoti o why dan Daddy Kedi no aje ma oba ni tifia onko adwuma wono na ekọ adwuma hwa oba na ye bibia enti okoje bosia se oye nwom maka che se nwom no obetima 200 ba kokura ntime hete Chwa ye nyom no oje 20,000 euros na oje bosia no ye nyom ni nyina nyom na mfa ti nyom na mfa no enti bank fo so be hantewo e so betua e so hwe nkura no e so ye sei no o se oba no nkura ne di ye tua nkura ne kaboso me wa bruchiri ma che se broni kro bia o wiase bia wo ba abantuom kente se Ghana empanifo agimi a samija mfi ba ya wasese scan ya auto like range over them wasisa de aka or the chakron for agrada money oma ye dada no da bi ha ne de empanifo ni nyanso omonya mmoa sika no omunwia ntotoka omne bema ahiafo no ma wo amuntimi hwe omoma no betua nkura ne nyina aka enti omoma nkura ne sika nti ayi ne se Dada Kedi se mami akura ne baako na memfa ne sika ne nko gensika no said ye be ya ono ane ba Daddy Kedi na ba said ye be ya metimi abetena abruchire na makoso aye adwuma na mahwe me ba ne me yere na ma ye den masa pesika foforo asa akoye anwom foforo na oba ne se hwen da me amagi sika na die no ntina aware enye yewa America na oba ana abruchire ba bia no oba ene be ma mu konkura sika ho saa bibini di aboa na broni nso ene ne yere omo boa nkura ne sika ne gu oda achiti broni ba bia be di 18 years no $1 million guna account no bibini ba be di 18 years taku sempoa ni se diska ni nyina ka pre oni bidawo tina bibini bia ba abraba sai wa bruchira bibini broni ba bia o skani no broni ya ba wono no ne ma me papa o $1 million eguna account mana $2 million egu because buy diska ne ba o munni nti omaboa no aguo na egu savings account every month bia omunya interest be $100,000 nti akra no aba wiase no onya start adwuma no sika a woje every month kra no e chen se de okoye adwuma nya sika nti na abrofo no nyina millionaires ba bibini die wagimie se aboa lazy man on so nko pa adwuma nya lazy woman no osifie aban sika na won enti na me kire wo se oya branti a oba ne ho ne mfaso nti me se yon edu time a me pese me ware ana me oba me ware age se virgin nya fe na me ko for bi na kwasia bi na edi na o ma betena social media na twinyu na sabeje me yire na twinyu na sabeje me mpena da bi kwasia bi edi uda me mpe o me pe virgin de se obi ani da na obi abeka se na woni we na wo ho na Jonas abesi akire I don't want problems. Abrofo man nyina virgin kwam nyina ware virgin edi ntina bibini ba de virgin nim onya boa de ntina wo no nam de twene nam saa mentam obi adi ahia saa na ayedan tu se wo ye kwasea anti afro kata husie katasie basiriwa kata husie na be ma mefa nware o so anti ema na magimi amublemu dadi lumba amublemu ayi kwada da kedi no mublemu mo amu se mo ye moa because obi ene oti ade ntina akọ fitru twem se na danfo mefa nkodiu gon enti bibini bade mfaso obi ani ne so me de meka no kra kirewo oye wo danfo oye wo enemy ntu pikia ye more investment, focus on investment first me be do abrochire mahu example of examples ankwase afo bebre di matem o me de me confirm yire aba o ena odi wagimi obeba akukura na one ba ena be di 60 years na ba kitikiti ena be di 80 years na fe no awo me de me confirm yire aba me koyesi omko sesa amane ba e no edodo na emanaje omfi om da abonten ebi so de om na mfo nchen ena dodo na so a etwe no mkofa ba e no be ma foforo na ewo be ma wantua vesafi wantua nim na se mo hu example kwakuma no de na bi example na me kire no sa na esio na jese kwakuma no ne popular ntina abani nsamo ate no asamu ajan de na bi omugege omfie normal de bibini ba ye no India ni be kwa kofa ne yire afria India ba o bema bia nkodi ne da India ni be fa ne yire free India ba o magine fie ma one ne implant na mu da bibini nko na ya boa bibini nko na ekwasia won bibini nko na ya boa enti mesremo munyai sa suban kankan na be kakra no mo ambe ware mo ho because be Ghana for be bra minimum mo o ma de adwuma di omo no hesi omo ware Spanish for any Jamaica for any other tribes omo ware African ni because ya boa japade Saudi wi ase koin usu be wubi abaya we dada kedi na wu ne wo poko poison ni unso edin abewu and said that the Luman a man dear drogo that the kid adrian mum so wo say yo sabio sabina to atutu nipa bebrebe ti o bibini ba no obekum swan and you say omo de moto begu na diani mo ba de moto begu na diani wan kese that the Luman de begum timu amuka se that the Luman na kuno no munya isa wo se oba no ede moto ebegu na diani ena oba no wokọ adwuma ekọ brati mfifiri abehwe no na wayi dadi luma nyom de kire ne mana ono dadi kedi na awo omo no se akura no nkura ne dadi kedi ma se luma ma obi ani because oba ne tukwan baga na dadi luma na ewo ena oba Germany so dadi kedi na ewo because na dadi kedi ne ti Germany ho so enti atwamienu na namfofo mienu di enti na ama dadi lumba the dada kedi carry and wuyen because na dadi ke dada lumba ekobo show na the dadi kedi di akide ba etwe no ehwo asem ba ye na dadi lumba mfre dada kedi bio enti dadi lumba platform akesi na ogina so nyina first no na dadi kedi nko fa ne mpena no enkwaje ne yiri mfiri ne nsem no na da bio de di na chi na kra no a one ne nam a obua no ko show bia anya hwe obenya kakra tafre ba enam so akofa ne yiri nti afa ne nyom ne nyina aba fom
tire wadwe fama me e wo comment section aha Penyah blog